it's Evie, and I am back with Boxy Charm's July base box. Let's get into it. Our Boxy Charm theme this month is Fantasy, S-E-A. I thought I would go blue for the C. Maybe that's lost on just me. But here we go. So the first thing we have is from Farmacy. It is Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. Farmacy is a good brand. I like some, I love some, I hate some. But overall, it is a very good skincare brand, and I have used quite a few of their products before. This product is 5 fluid ounces, and it is made with moringa and papaya. Let's see how it smells. Ooh, it smells very, very clean and maybe a little grassy, possibly. It smells really good though. I would definitely use this. It says that it draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This retails for $28. Our next product is from Bakerie. It is a flower setting powder, and you have to give them props on the cute little flower bag. I love a good packaging. Here's the product. Finely milled oat translucent powder. It's going to help control oil and control those pores. This product is $24. The next product is from Generation Skin, and it is Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. That's a mouthful. So I've looked at these and tried these already. I have to show you. So you take your little scooper and you scoop one up, because I just don't want to stick my finger in that. And it looks like little whales. The little blue whale. Okay. I would put that on my face, but I have makeup on, so no. But yes, they are for your eyes. It helps firm, smooth, and protect your delicate eye area. So if you're into the sea and, you know, algae being on your face, this product is perfect for you. This retails for $49.99. Our next product is Outré 8-in-1 CBD leave-in conditioner. Your hair is gonna get some stress-free time with this. It enhances body and makes it manageable. It detangles hair and fights frizz, to name a few. And overall, your hair will not be stressed out anymore. There's 4 fluid ounces in this, and it retails for $30. So our next product is Billion Dollar Brows On Point Micro Pencil. So here is the product. This is in taupe. Here's the wine swatch. These little micro pencils are really good for detailed stroke looks. I actually really like that. I'm currently growing mine in, so mine are a little large today, but one day they will be back in normal color and shade, and I will be able to use these precise pencil to make the look amazing. $billion amazing, maybe. This retails for $16. So this box totals $149 in retail value, and you paid $25 for this box. To me, that's a win-win. You get some great name brand products, some products you may have never heard of. It's kind of a no-brainer. I hope you have a rest of your fantasy July, and go order you a box now. I will leave the information in the description for all these products where you can follow, and also where you can get some BoxyCharm for yourself. So use the links as you may, and I will catch you next time. Have a fantasy July. Be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.